Is Apple's Vision Pro really an iPad killer? Unveiled in 2023 at Apple's WWDC, Vision Pro is a groundbreaking $3,499 mixed reality headset. Running on Vision OS, it promises augmented and virtual reality capabilities and an exclusive app store. The Vision Pro, running on Apple's new Vision OS operating, promised to offer augmented reality and virtual reality capabilities, integration with other Apple products, and a new app store specific to Vision OS. In early 2024, the Vision Pro was released. With limited production and high price tag, it became an exclusive commodity. Despite being expensive, tech enthusiasts embraced it for the unparalleled experience it promised. The Vision Pro promised a high-end experience that was unmatched in the market. Owning a Vision Pro presented challenges. Its cutting-edge technology was costly to maintain. Without AppleCare Plus, repairs were expensive. Damaged components cost owners up to $2,399. So, is the Vision Pro an iPad killer? Indeed, the Vision Pro offers a unique experience. However, its steep cost and high maintenance might deter consumers. But its high price point, coupled with hefty repair costs, might limit its appeal to a wider audience. In conclusion, the Vision Pro is a significant step forward in mixed reality technology. It embodies a fusion of virtual and augmented reality, merging the digital with the physical. Its future, the iPad, is unknown. Apple's Vision Pro has successfully laid the groundwork for a fresh chapter of immersive technology.